Hello everyone, welcome back. If you ever wanted to start an Amazon affiliate website and don't want to waste so much time on creating from the scratch, or just want to launch it instantly on your domain, then this video is for you. In this video, I am revealing a fully automated Amazon affiliate website which will target the electronic niche, okay, so that you can easily launch this store. Okay, and yes, this website I am going to offer in just $30. Okay, so before you skip this video, let me show you what's inside and why this would be the best choice to start your Amazon affiliate journey. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to provide the 3 customized element based home pages which are easy to design and customize, a WP Automate plugin and which comes under GPL, and electronic niche based products. Okay, you will have the more than 10 categories, okay, and each have 10 to 15 products, and also you will see the product detail page with all the product details, okay, which will fetch from the Amazon. And main thing is that you will get the electro e-commerce thing, okay, which is the very good thing for the any type of e-commerce website, right, which will come under GPL. So if you want to buy, then you can check the description for the link. All right, so let me jump into the main website. Okay, now I'm inside the dashboard of this WordPress. Okay, so let me open this website. So let's introduce you some things inside this website. So what we will get, we will have this electro theme, all right, where you can customize every part of this website, okay, from here. Also you will get some WP automatic with all the campaigns created here, and if you go to setting, and you will see here the all the campaigns, okay, like wearable accessories, smartwatch, and etc. So you will have 54 items, okay, and we have 3 pages. It means that you will have the 100 to 150 campaigns. Okay, now let's move on to this home page. So this is our the website, and this is the first home page that I am going to provide, and it's nicely designed, okay, and you can see the layouts like sliders, okay, of the different categories. This nice section is designed, okay, from here. And here we have this second home page. Let me open all these home pages. Okay, and here you will see the sidebar, okay. When you click here, category will open from here, okay, where you will see the categories, and under it you will see the subcategories as well, okay, here. And hence this completes the website actually, okay, and you are going to target the all the possible products under electronics niche, okay. So this will indirectly increase your sales at highest level. All right, so the people will visit your website and they will search for the product, okay, and the product will be easily available on your website, and then will redirect to the Amazon. Okay, so this is the first home page, and this is the second home page. You will see here I just keep the header the same, okay, for the easy to use purpose. And here the second home page I am going to provide. It's also the Elementor based home page, okay, and the third one is this. Okay, So all the pages are easily customized using this Elementor. Okay, and also there were some option to edit with WP Bakery page builder, but because of its hard to understand and also to minimal features, I just elected this Elementor page builder. Okay, everyone is familiar with it. Okay, so these say home pages you will get in this complete website package under this Amazon affiliate website. Okay, and along with let's open product. Okay, here, and the main thing that the Amazon requires the product details. Okay, so if you get the sales, still the Amazon will ask you to fulfill these some requirements, okay, as per their policies. And if you see here, I have also created some policy pages like DMCA policy, affiliate disclaimer, okay, and here terms and conditions, and also you can add FAQ, and this is the affiliate disclosure you can show here. Okay, now this is the product page. You will see here the product image, title, the price, and the button, and just below you will see the gallery images, okay, a bigger buy now button, and then some details. So these things are ignorable. Okay, using the campaigns, from the campaign settings you can remove these things, okay, and just keep these details. And how to set up these campaigns everyone knows, okay, from edit and then go to that short description section. Okay, so everything is customizable and you don't need to change anything. You can change this color from this electro themes under here. Okay, every settings are given under this electro tab. Okay, this is the theme, main theme. So this is going to be the Amazon affiliate website, which is fully automated. Okay, now how you can buy this website. So first of all, visit our official website, which is Webcrowd, and open this first product. Alright, and then when you land on the product page, then you just need to click on this buy now button. Okay, and I kept the buying option very simple. Just visit this page, and either you are login or not, you can still buy this product. Okay, so here what you do, if you're doing the payment, UPI payment, if you are from the India, then just pay here. Okay, after paying you have to just send the details on our contact WhatsApp number. Okay, and if you want to pay via PayPal, just pay over here and just send your information on this WhatsApp. Okay, and also same as crypto, just copy the address, paste, and share details on the WhatsApp. Okay, as simple as that. So in this way you will get the product. Okay, now what you will get along with this, so you will get all the instructions how to upload on your own server and how you can change the mail IDs and all. So everything will be included in this package. Okay, so this is the and also let me show you one thing, it's responsiveness. Okay, so every template is responsive page. Okay, you will have this type of layout and this sidebar. Okay, it's completely responsive, and also with this website you will get some instructions on how to upload on your server, how to change the mail, and etc. Okay, and also I will provide you the online support if you are not able to set up this website. Okay, so just check it out, the link in the description, and just grab the deal. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.